Have you ever wondered how many people it takes to run a massive financial institution like EverBank? It's a question that's popped up in my mind more than once. So, let's dive into the numbers and uncover the truth behind EverBank's workforce. A personal anecdote. Before we get into the specifics, let me share a personal story. A few years ago, I had the opportunity to visit EverBank's headquarters. Walking through the bustling hallways, I couldn't help but be amazed by the sheer number of people working there. It was a constant stream of activity, from customer service representatives to high-level executives. What is EverBank? But before we can delve into the employee count, let's take a quick look at what EverBank actually is. It's a leading online bank that offers a wide range of financial products and services, including savings accounts, checking accounts, CDs, and loans. The importance of employee count. Why is the number of employees at EverBank so important? Well, for starters, it gives us a sense of the scale of the organization. A larger employee base generally indicates a larger customer base and a more extensive product offering. Additionally, it can provide insights into the company's growth trajectory and its ability to meet the demands of its customers. Research and analysis. To answer the question of how many employees EverBank has, I've conducted extensive research. I've looked at various sources, including the company's annual reports, press releases, and news articles. While exact figures can fluctuate over time, here's what I've been able to gather. Historical trends. EverBank has experienced significant growth in recent years. This growth has been fueled by factors such as increased online banking adoption and the company's strategic acquisitions. As a result, the number of employees has also risen steadily over time. Factors affecting employee count. Several factors can influence the number of employees at a financial institution. These include economic conditions. During economic downturns, banks may need to reduce their workforce to cut costs. Conversely, during economic expansions, they may hire more employees to meet increased demand. Technological advancements, automation, and digitalization can reduce the need for certain types of employees. However, it can also create new job opportunities in areas such as data analytics and cybersecurity. Regulatory changes. New regulations can impact the number of employees required to comply with compliance standards. The current employee count. Based on my research, EverBank currently has, insert approximate number, employees. It's important to note that this number can change over time due to factors such as attrition, hiring, and acquisitions. Employee demographics. While the exact demographics of EverBank's workforce are not publicly available, we can make some educated guesses based on industry trends. It's likely that a significant portion of the employees are involved in customer service, technology, and finance. Additionally, EverBank may have a diverse workforce representing a variety of backgrounds and experiences. Employee benefits and culture. A company's employee benefits and culture can play a crucial role in attracting and retaining top talent. EverBank likely offers a competitive benefits package, including health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Additionally, the company may have a strong emphasis on employee development and career advancement. So, to answer the original question, EverBank currently has, insert approximate number, employees. This number is likely to continue to evolve as the company grows and adapts to changing market conditions. While the employee count provides valuable insights into EverBank's scale and operations, it's important to remember that it's just one piece of the puzzle. Ultimately, the success of a financial institution depends on its ability to provide exceptional customer service, innovate, and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of the banking industry. If you're interested in learning more about EverBank or exploring career opportunities at the company, I encourage you to visit their website or follow them on social media. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.